Hi, I am Rahul from Team 3 and I'm going to present the prototype and a code for our application Travel Quest. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here's the sign up page for our application. Before we dive deep, let's look at our databases. We'll be storing user information in the DynamoDB database provided by AWS. And for the verification photos, we'll be using Amazon S3. Let's get started with the application. As you can see, we have performed all the validations on the sign up form. Now let's sign up using proper details. Alright, now we are directed to the login page. Before that, let's just refresh our DynamoDB table and there we go. We have a new user stored in the database. Let's try to log in. We have performed similar validations on the login page as well. There goes invalid credentials. Let's put a correct password this time. There we go. Now we're inside our application. This is the home page of our application after the user has logged in. This is the search functionality. We can search for cities. As of now, the challenges for Winnipeg aren't available. They'll be coming soon. But let's look at the challenges for Halifax city. Again, looking at the search functionality. And again, this particular challenge isn't available yet. But let's look at a challenge that is available. Here we go. This challenge is called the wave awaits, and as we can see, there's all these information such as address, what the user needs to do to complete this challenge. The user can also look at the reviews and also find directions to where to go to complete the challenge. So let's search the wave Halifax. There we go. User can also use the satellite view or put themselves using the Google API and experience the surrounding or the atmosphere of that place. Oh, there's the wave. Now once the user has completed the challenge, they can go and verify the challenge. They can upload a picture and our powerful AI verification system will verify if the challenge is alright or not. Okay, there we go. The challenge is verified. We can also see that the image is uploaded on the S3 database. There it is. Coming back to application, there are some notifications. Now the user, once they have completed the challenge, they can also leave a review about the challenge. As we can see, John Doe is leaving a review. These reviews can be seen by all the users on the platform. Now let's go to user profile. We also have the badges functionality. Because this new user has only completed 2 challenges, the badges aren't available. However, let's try another user which we have already created and has the user which has who has completed over 100 challenges. For that particular user, will be able to see all the 3 different badges that we have on the platform. Okay, we'll go to user profile and badges. Ooh, there we go. As this user has completed all the 119 challenges, they can also use the share on Facebook button, which will ask them to log into Facebook and Twitter, and then they can share their achievements on the social media platforms. Well, that was it about the prototype of our application. Another look at the databases. Now let's look at our code structure. We have created a React application. We have different folders like components, pages, and also folder for all the test cases. We have done end-to-end test cases, testing for our application. This is our app.js file. Coming to the components, this is our feedback component, which is used for the review functionality. Then we have the notification component. This is the CSS file for the notification component. Then we have the footer for application, which is visible on all the pages. Similarly, we have the header file. Let's look at the pages of our application. First is badges. This is for the badges functionality. We can also see all the 3 badges that we have in our application. Let's move to challenges. This page helps us show the list of challenges and cities on our application. This is for challenge verification, uploading an image to verify the challenge. We also have these coming soon pages, which will be updating very soon for all different cities and all different challenges. Then this one is for the map functionality. We are using Google API for providing this functionality to the users. Then we have the profile section. This is for the user profile. Here's the CSS file for that. Moving on to user management, this is for a login functionality. Then this is sign up functionality. Moving on to test cases. These are the test cases for the badges page. This one is for the challenges functionality. This is for the list of cities. This is for the feedback or review functionality. These are the test cases for the footer.js file. These ones are for the Halifax wave challenge. These are test cases for the login functionality. These ones were for the map, and this one for notifications, and this one for the user profile. As you could see, we have thoroughly done unit testing on each of our functionalities. And we have deployed our application using Netlify. As you can see that our site is live right now. Well, that's it from our prototype and our code. Thank you so much.